The VEVOR 5,000 pounds trailer jack is a robust tool designed to handle heavy lifting tasks with ease, boasting an impressive load capacity that ensures reliable performance for a variety of trailer types. Its installation is made simple, with all necessary components included, and it offers the flexibility of being either bolted or welded onto the trailer tongue, providing convenience and ease of use. Crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel, this trailer jack is built to offer maximum strength and exceptional stability, with superior corrosion resistance thanks to its galvanized tubes and powder finish. With its adjustable height feature, this trailer jack caters to diverse needs, ensuring your trailer remains level during towing for a smooth and safe journey. The versatility of this electric trailer jack makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, including travel trailers and horse trailers, with a detachable handle for manual operation when needed. Overall, the VEVOR 5,000 pounds trailer jack is an excellent choice for those seeking durability, reliability, and versatility in their trailer lifting equipment.